Good morning, class. Today we will continue elimination method. I am taking 5 questions. First, 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2, and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. Consider it equation number 1 and it 2. First of all, let 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b. Why so? Because the variable in denominator. Now 5 upon x minus 1 becomes 5a. This becomes b equal to 2, and here 6a minus 3b equal to 1. Now this is third and fourth. Now make the coefficient of b equal. So multiplying third equation by 3, this becomes 3 5s are 15a plus 3 1s are 3b and 3 2s are 6. This is equation number 5 after multiplying by 3. Now here we see that equation number 4 in equation number 5 the coefficient of b are same. To cancel them, add it. On adding equation number 4 5, b coefficient cancel. 15 and 6 21, a equal to 7. Therefore a equal to 7 upon 21, and this is 1 upon 3. Now students, from here you will proceed yourself. The value of a can be put in equation number 3 or 4 so that you can get the value of b. How will you get the value of a? B. The value of a can be put in equation number 3 or 4 so that you will get the value of b. But the value of a is 1 upon x minus 1, and the value comes out to be 1 upon 3. Cross multiply. This is x minus 1 equal to 3. Therefore actual value of x is 4. This is the solution in x. Similarly, whatever the value of v comes out to be, then 1 upon y minus 2, put the value of b, cross multiply, you get the value of y. Question number 3, same to same. Before 3, this is here. Question number 2, divide both sides by xy. This becomes 6x upon xy. This is 3y upon xy, and here 6xy upon xy. I am talking about equation number 1. So when we divide both sides by xy, x got cancelled. This is 6 upon y, this is 3 upon x, this is 6. Equation 3. Similarly, in equation 2, when we divide both sides by xy, this will be 2 upon y, this is 4 upon x, and this is 5. Equation 4. Now what will you do? You will consider as a variable in denominator. So 1 upon y equal to a and 1 upon x equal to b. So that the equation 3 4 becomes 6a plus 3b equal to 6. 2a plus 4b equal to 5. Consider can be equation number 5 and 6. Now what will you do? Make the coefficient of b equal or a equal, which are convenient to you. Cancel them, get the value of other variable. Now solve. You will get the value of ab. After getting the value of ab, put here on reverse or reciprocal, you get the value of x and y. I hope you understand it. Question number 3, variable in denominator, again 1 upon x plus y equal to a, 1 upon x minus y equal to b. The first equation 10a, 2b equal to 4, 15a minus 5b equal to -2. Let the equation 1 and 2. To make the coefficient of b equal, multiply 5 by 1 and 2 by 2. This is 5 times 50a, 5 2 is 10b, 5 4 is 20, 2 15 is 30a, 2 5 is 10b, 2 2 is 4. Add it, cancel. 80a equal to 16. So a equal to 16 upon 80. Cancel 1 upon 5. The value of a, first of all, put in equation number this. This is 10. The value of a is 1 upon 5 plus 2b equal to 4. 2 plus 2b equal to 4. 2b equal to 2. So b equal to 1. But the value of a, consider to be 1 upon x plus y, and the value of a is 1 upon 5. Cross multiply, x plus 5 equal to 5, x plus y equal to 5, and 1 upon x minus y is considered to be b value is 1. Cross multiply, you get x minus y equal to 1. Now solve this two equation again. Cancel. 2x equal to 6, so x equal to 3. Put the value of x here, you get y equal to 2. This is the actual answer. Now we are taking two more equations. Here px plus qy equal to p minus q, qx minus py equal to p plus q. First of all, make the coefficient of y equal, multiplying the equation number 1 by p and this equation by q. Multiply, this is p square x plus pqy equal to p square minus pq. Similarly, multiply, this is q square x minus pqy equal to pq plus q square. Now add the equations. These two will get cancelled. Here we see that x is common. The rest is p square plus q square. Here minus pq cancel with plus pq. Left with p square plus q square. Now when x equal to this is divided by this, you will get value of x as 1. Put the value of x in 1. Then what you will get? This is p into 1 plus qy equal to p minus q. So qy equal to p minus q minus p. So qy equal to minus q. So y equal to minus 1. When minus q divided by q, you get minus 1. Now see one more question. Question number 5. Most of the students make many mistakes in this question. Dear student, देखिए y कोफिशिएंट 378, y कोफिशिएंट 152. क्या हम y के कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल कर सकते हैं? हाँ बिल्कुल, लेकिन इसके लिए बड़े लार्ज नंबर से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करनी पड़ेगी, जो कि हमारे लिए कैलकुलेशन में बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा. दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग वन मोर मेथड. बट उस मेथड को अप्लाई करने से पहले हमें एक चीज़ ऑब्जर्व करनी पड़ेगी. देखिए इन दोनों ही इक्वेशन में एक चीज़ कॉमन है. द कोफिशिएंट आर इंटरचेंज. x coefficient was plus 152, but in second equation this is the coefficient of y. Minus 378 was the coefficient of y, but in equation 2 it becomes the coefficient of x. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस में जिसमें कोफिशिएंट इंटरचेंज हो जाते हैं, we have to apply this method. What is this method? First of all, add the two equations. When we add the equation, we get 6, 2 and 2 of minus So when we add these two, this will minus 2 to 6y. Add this, this is minus. Now dividing both sides by minus 226, we get x plus y equal to 3. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. क्या किया हमने डिवाइड किया बाई -2 to 6 बोथ साइड, दोनों तरफ, इसमें भी इसमें भी इसमें भी. तो पहले हमने फर्स्ट और सेकंड इक्वेशन को ऐड किया था. अब हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में से सेकंड इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. आपको भी करना पड़ेगा. अब आप देखिए ध्यान से, जब फर्स्ट में से सेकंड को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो इसके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. This sign becomes plus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. Now 152 plus 378 becomes 530x. This becomes minus 530y equal to this also 530. Now divide by 530. You get x minus y equal to 1. This is equation number 4. So जो बड़ी डिफ़िकल्ट सी इक्वेशन थी जिसके नंबर्स कोफिशिएंट बड़े बड़े थे, अब बहुत ही आसान इक्वेशन बन चुकी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ऐड द इक्वेशन, देन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द इक्वेशन. बी केयरफुल इन कैलकुलेशन. एडिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 3 and 4. x plus x 2x plus y minus y cancel. 3 plus 1 4. So x equal to 2. Put the value of x here, you get y equal to 1. This is the solution. I am taking last question today. This is x upon a minus y upon b equal to 0 and ax plus by equal to a square plus b square. This is equation 1. This is equation number 2. जरूरी नहीं है कि हम हर मेथड को एलिमिनेशन मेथड से ही करें. इस क्वेश्चन में हम देख रहे हैं कि इसे सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से भी किया जा सकता है, बट चूंकि आज हम एलिमिनेशन मेथड यूज़ कर रहे हैं, सो वी विल कंटिन्यू विद एलिमिनेशन मेथड. टेक द एलसीएम ए बी. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन आई एम डूइंग दिस. This is bx minus ay equal to 0. On cross multiplying, bx minus ay equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now we make the coefficient of y together. Multiply this by a and this by b. Multiply. This is a square x. This is aby. This is a cube and ab square. Multiplying with b, this is b square x minus aby equal to 0. Add these two, cancel. A square x plus b square x. Take x common, you left with a square plus b square. This adding with 0, this remains same. Taking a as common, you left with a square plus b square. Cancel out. X equal to a. Put the x value of x equal to a in 1. 1 में डाल दीजिए इसको. आप 1 में डाल सकते हैं, 2 में, 3 में, as you wish. I am putting in 1. So this is a upon a minus y upon b is 0. Cancel. 1 equal to y